Hey, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I got plants around me, and I was thinking, this is so great. And then I realized, Brussels sprouts can take up to 217 days to be ready for harvest. I don't know how long watermelons take, but tomatoes take quite a while too. And then I have zinnias and calendula and onions, and this is gonna be for the long haul, guys. Now, the tomatoes were, I don't know, it's amazing how they are. They keep coming back. That one died. There was 2 plants. I put those in. Like a day later, I came and I looked at them, and everything looked dead. And now today I came back down to check on everything else. It's been about 4 or 5 days. Now I got 4 different plants. It's crazy. That's one of the reasons why I love plants, is because if there's just a little spark of life, they will come back. All they have to do is have a little bit of love, tender love and care. And that's how we are. We can be beat down, but if we have just a little bit of tender love and care, we can come back, we can grow, we can produce fruit, just like the plants. We live under the master gardener. He knows how many storms we have to weather. He knows how much we can endure. And how much He has to put us through so that we can become the fruitful plants that He wants us to be. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it helped you in any way, please share it and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I have a TubeBuddy link in the description box below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless.